Anyway, that is the trend in Maryland, and we'll see that that is also the trend nationally. Let's take a look at the latest housing indicators nationally. 4 million homes sold in the entire nation. Median price 379,000. Let me see how that compares to the state of Maryland. So Maryland's median price is 385,000, higher than the national average. Housing talk about January new home sales. 664,000 homes were sold in the nation in the month of January, right? Let's see if we can pull up the existing stats. Let's take a look at some of these existing stats real quick. Existing home sales is up 3.1% in January 2024. Sales accelerated in the Midwest, South, and West, and remained steady in the Northeast. So us here kind of in the Northeast, it didn't crash, didn't, slow down, just kind of stayed steady. But the other regions saw an uptick, right? Year-over-year sales improved in the West and decreased in the Northeast, Midwest, and South. This is from the National Association of Realtors. The existing home sales, it just talks about everything going on in the market here. Let's look at the pending home sales and see how that's doing nationally. Pending home sales are up 8.3%. It says pending home sales surged in December 2023 with month-over-month and year-over-year transaction gains in the Midwest, South, and loses in the Northeast. The National Association forecasts a 13% increase in existing home sales from 2023 to 4.62 million in 2024. So they are saying the pending home sales might go up. Is that the big crash that they've been hoping would happen hasn't occurred yet? The market is holding up, right? The market is holding up, and that's, like I said, due to the low inventory levels. Inventory levels are not there, so even though the interest rates bumped up, the market hasn't crashed just yet because there are not that many homes on the market, right? Not too many are being built. It's just the supply chain issues are one. Also, the cost to build a house is higher. And also, if you're a homeowner, unless you're moving out of state or like a family need, let's say you have new children, you got married or something, or you lost a family member, a divorce, 9 times out of 10, if it's just for a lifestyle change, you may not want to make that move right now. That's what I'm personally getting from a lot of people when I speak to them. They say, give me some time, let's see how the market shapes out, because we are kind of like in a volatile, uncertain, I wouldn't say volatile, but uncertain period in the market to where people are just not sure what's going to happen. The Feds were talking about dropping interest rates 4 times this year, but they've already bumped it up. And on that note, let's transition into interest rates, right? They were talking about dropping it 4 times this year, to kind of help the market and help lower the inflation. The thing about inflation, 9 times out of 10, once prices go up, these retailers,